Hello, I want to thank those of you I got to meet at the Family Fun Fest in Salem County last Saturday. It was just amazing. We had over 1,400 people there. It was great to see the kids in costumes, and we had a really fun event of having the kids go through and making sure they got both candy as well as education. And I'm always grateful to all of the Inspira family for the hard work that they do to pull off an event of this magnitude and really just give their all. I also want to recognize one of our own, Robin Walton, was acknowledged by the President's Award of the NAACP of Gloucester County. Robin is the Senior Vice President of Government and External Affairs, and in that role, she really serves not only as our expert within Washington and Trenton and working with all the local elected officials, but she also works with our community organizations to make sure that we're all aligned and finding ways for us all to work together. It was a lovely event. I want to thank President Loretta Winters for just the work that she does every single day in the community, but also for hosting just such a special acknowledgement of all the hard work that's going on. And so many people were acknowledged for their great work, and it was a good reminder for all of us of the work that's been done and the work that has to be done. So we have two different recognitions that have happened for our physicians being honored by Top Doc Awards. Both New Jersey Monthly as well as South Jersey Magazine have selected so many of our physicians to really acknowledge the great work that they're doing, and most importantly, the compassion that our physicians always exhibit. So I want to congratulate each of you. I'm really proud to be part of an organization that continues to recognize and celebrate the great work that you are doing. November is Lung Cancer Awareness Month, and it really is an opportunity for us to just remind people again, the early detection that we can do on lung screenings at Inspira has really improved significantly. We have new technology that allows us to really identify the very smallest possible indication of lung cancer and then treat it right away. And that just makes such a difference in being able to make sure that lung cancer is detected early and the treatment happens quickly. So I really would encourage you to make sure that you learn about this. If you were a smoker and have stopped years later, just go ahead and please go ahead and get the screening. It'll give you peace of mind, and if by chance there is something there, then let us make sure we can help you get back to that place of recovery as quickly as possible. So today's patient's story actually begins with our patient Shelly Voros. See, Shelly was in a tragic accident at age 13. It required multiple surgeries and really left her in significant pain. And as many of us have done in the course of our lives, as we begin to think about how we manage change and manage that pain and manage all those things that you're going through, we turn to food for that source of comfort. And in some cases, it can really become not just a comfort, but a health challenge. Shelly ended up at her highest weight at being 380 pounds and talking to her primary care provider, Dr. Jay Malikal, trying to think about what are the options that are available to her. Dr. Malikal referred her to our bariatric program, and she was able to partner with Dr. Christopher Bashian and the entire team there to really begin a journey of weight loss. And I'm so thrilled to tell you that she talks about the support she received, and through their journey together in preparation for the surgery and then post-surgery, she's lost 180 pounds and really finds herself with a whole new life ahead of her. So I want to congratulate Shelly for the great work she's done. It takes tremendous courage to take control of your life in this way and do this bariatric surgery, but also for allowing us the opportunity to walk with her on this journey. Huge shout out to the bariatric team across the entire Inspira system. The way you all work together and the way you make sure the patient gets what they need when they need it. I'm just overwhelmed, and it really is life-changing, and I thank you so much for the work you do. I want to make sure I recognize our veterans. We will celebrate that this Friday. Thank you for your service to our country. You have given so much so we all can live the lives that we have today, and we have the freedoms that we have today. We are so grateful for your sacrifices and so grateful for all that you've done for us. I also want to take this moment to just wish you a happy Thanksgiving. I know in this world where things seem so tumultuous, it is important to remember to give thanks, to find gratitude, and make sure that we do those things with loved ones, give back to the community, and really just take that breath to say we really are lucky to be in the life we're in, lucky to be in the community we're in, and most importantly, to have that tremendous sense of partnership with each of you. I wish you all the best. Until we meet again, be well and stay safe.